Today I share with you all this super simple smoky rice and beans jollof rice. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I'm going to start by parboiling my beans. Before I cook beans, I like to parboil it. I just added the beans into hot water. I cover it and allow to boil for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I'm going to take it to the sink, change the water, and then I will add it back to the another clean water. I just go ahead and add some salt to it and some onion. Cover the pot and allow to cook till the beans is perfectly done. Before I started making the jollof stew, the beans is perfectly cooked. In another pot, I just go ahead and add some oil to it and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I go in with some chopped onion and some garlic paste. If you don't like to cook with garlic, skip that. I added tomato paste to the oil and I'm going to go ahead and stir fry it for 2 minutes just to infuse the flavor into the oil and to get rid of the sour taste of the tomato paste. Few minutes later, I go ahead and add some of my spices. I just added some oregano. If you don't have oregano, replace with bay leaf, some curry, thyme and some rosemary. I go ahead and stir this together again for another 30 seconds just to add more flavor into the jollof rice. At this point, the oil is infused with a lot of flavor. I'll go in with my pepper mix. I have a detailed video on how I make this smoky pepper mix. I will leave the link in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. Once I add the pepper mix, I just go ahead and stir everything together until they are well combined. And I added some chicken stock as well. And I'll go in with the salt and seasoning cube. Give everything a quick stir until they are well combined. I'll cover the pot and allow the sauce to cook until it's perfectly done. The stew is 100% cooked. As you guys can see, the oil has settled on top. That is when you will know that your stew is perfectly fine. I just go in with my rice and I'm making use of basmati rice. Feel free to make use of any rice of your choice. Once I add the rice, I stir everything together until they are well combined. Added more water to cook the rice. I give everything a quick stir and I tasted for seasoning. Everything is perfect and I go in with my cooked beans. If you need to adjust your seasoning at this stage, go ahead and adjust your seasoning. Once I add the cooked beans, I gently stir everything together once again until they are nicely combined together. Once you add your beans, you don't want to overstir it, alright? So the beans is not soggy inside the rice because you guys already know that the beans is 100% cooked. You don't want to overstir it so the beans is not too mushy in the rice. Once I stir everything together nicely, I just go ahead and place some aluminum foil to secure the heat inside the rice before I place the heat. If you don't have aluminum foil, make use of plastic bag. Cover it nicely and allow the rice to steam on a very low heat till it's perfectly done. Back to the pot. At this stage, the rice is perfectly cooked. I just go ahead and give it a gentle stir. If you stir it and you notice that the rice is not done, all you need to do is just cover it back and allow to steam again. If you need to top up the water, just top up the water a little bit. But my rice is perfectly cooked. I just give it a gentle stir and I go in and garnish with some onion. You can add more butter to yours, but at this stage, mine is perfect. You guys see that I have enough oil in the stew. There is no need for butter, alright? I just give it a final good stir and it is ready. You guys, this smelled so good and it tasted absolutely delicious. Go ahead, serve it and enjoy. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you are watching on Facebook, please follow my page. See you guys in my next video. Bye.